Welcome to Kenny's volcano! This isn't really my volcano, but let's begin. These are pictures of me making my volcano. Here I am mixing powders together to make a smoke bomb. Here are pictures of me and my brother shaping the volcano. We made this octopus thing that holds a plastic container, and you put vinegar and baking soda inside and a smoke bomb. We painted it and covered it with paper mache. We had so much fun. Here's my dad lighting the fuse to make all the smoke come out. Here I am waiting for him so I can put the glue baking soda balls inside. So much lava came out, but no smoke came out. We finally got it to work, but the problem was that there was too much wax at the top, so we flipped the smoke bomb over and lit it from that end, and lots of smoke came out. And the neighbors and the people walking across the street were all watching. My dad added more vinegar so we can enjoy lots and lots of more lava. Did you know that Mauna Loa is the biggest volcano on Earth? Did you know that some volcanoes don't erupt? They release volcanic gas, just like when you've eaten too many beans. Did you know that lava doesn't just come out of the top of a volcano? It can come out from side vents? Did you know that volcano smoke is not just smoke? It has ash and sulfur. Did you know that lava and rocks that fly from a volcano are called bombs? Did you know that the ash and smoke cloud can cause acid rain? I don't know about you, but acid rain hurts me. Did you know that volcanoes are usually located where tectonic plates meet? Did you know that Hawaii was made by a volcano and it's still being made right now? Did you know the word volcano originally comes from the name of the Roman god of fire, Vulcan? Did you know that Indonesia has the most volcanoes? Did you know that Mount Fuji is a dormant volcano? My dad climbed it 3 times, and next time I'm gonna climb it with him. I had so much fun making the volcano with my dad and my brother. It took so long to make it. We learned so much, and it was all worth it. I hope you enjoyed my volcano video, and next time I hope you assign a rocket project.